This thing came to party. It is not the margaritas. We just like ordered this for the table. Nobody would be like, where's the meat?
Y'all got some vegan cheesecake? I'm reaching.
Wait, that is a serious vegan pro tip. This is the top of the tier. What's up, everybody? I'm Merle, and today I am with my friend, vegan queen, Tabitha Brown.
Hey, y'all.
Today, we're going to be going to Panera.
Yes.
Then we're going to Cheesecake Factory.
All right.
And then we're going to PF Chang's.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
That's 3 different places.
Yep.
That are literally everywhere.
Yeah. Do you think this is gonna be hard?
I ain't never really met a challenge I couldn't handle, especially not when it came to food. As long as we go into it with the positive mindset, it's gonna be good.
A lot of the times, like when I go out to eat with my friends, if they want to go to like one of these chain restaurants, sometimes I'm like worried, like, am I gonna have to be that person that gets a salad?
Right,
I don't even like salad that much.
Whenever we go to restaurants, I always have to like go into it with the mindset, I know I'm gonna veganize something on the menu. Yeah. But then, we the people that the waiter hate to see coming.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah,
so sorry. But I'd be like, can I get that allergy menu? Because they got allergy menus.
What?
Most restaurants have an allergy menu, so most of the times you can see what you can have that's vegan.
Wait, that is a serious vegan pro tip.
Honey, you see how you just learned something today?
Yeah.
Very good.
It's been like 5 minutes. That could have
You're
changed
welcome.
the last year of my life drastically. Great. I am very excited to see what other tips you have today.
We're gonna find something. Something you can eat.
Something I can eat and love.
Come on, Panera. I'm counting on y'all. Hey, how are you?
Good. Any questions so far?
The 10 vegetable soup. Is that one vegan though?
That one actually is vegan, yeah. So you nailed it.
You see that?
First try.
So the bread bowl is vegan?
The bread bowl is vegan, yes.
Throw it in the bread bowl, yeah.
And I think like a salad. So what about the modern Greek with quinoa? Is that one vegan?
It is if you take the feta out.
We'll split one of those.
What about the Mediterranean veggie?
The Mediterranean veggie also has feta on it, and then I believe there's honey in the bread.
So no feta, and what bread do you have that doesn't have honey?
The sourdough.
Sourdough.
And then ciabatta.
Yeah, let's do ciabatta, okay.
And since we're not getting feta, is there any way we could sub like avocado or something in it?
Yeah, I think we can do that.
You're making my day.
You know I love some avocado.
Yeah, I know you
girl,
got the avocado ring on.
Yes. You see that?
It's for you.
Yes, okay.
Perfect.
Great.
You guys are all set. We'll have that out to your table soon, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Half up.
Oh, girl. Girl, this looks so good.
I am so hungry and excited right now. Oh my God.
That's good. The bread bowl is vegan. Can you believe that?
That is exciting.
We got bread.
You can't do it without the bread bowl.
Mm.
I'm gonna dip a little bit of this in it too, though.
You gotta dip the
You're
bread.
obligated.
I mean, why you get it if you're not gonna dip it?
Come on, that's the stuff.
That's good. But can you see how good this looks right here?
Yeah, bring that over here, would you?
The olives just calling me, child. They're calling me.
I want some of this tomato quinoa.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
And maybe I'll start ordering salads. I really never do. I think because I'm usually turned off by, I'm like, all right, it's like I'm gonna be grazing on some like kale or some lettuce, but this has the kale and the lettuce for the health.
Yeah.
And then you've got the quinoa with the tomato.
And that's protein.
Protein.
Hello. Mm-hmm. You see this avocado?
Oh, I see it. I see it from a mile away.
Wait.
Oh my God. The avocado totally covers the cheese.
Yeah, it gives you that creaminess, like it is cheese.
We'll feel good after eating it too.
Absolutely. Oh, this is so good. Lord have mercy.
All right, we're feeling great, but let's go eat some more delicious food.
Okay. On to the next.
On to the next one. All right, now we're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, Lord. You think they got vegan cheesecake? Look at this menu.
Look at that.
Honey, it's pages and pages.
I know. They've got this guac and chips.
Oh, you can't go wrong with guac and chips. I love some
No.
guacamole.
Same.
Yeah.
So I feel like all we'd have to do is just ask for like no sour cream, right? That's easy.
Oh, yeah.
This salad actually has vegan in the title. And this thing is stacked. I could go for like a burger.
They got a veggie burger.
Okay, you know how I feel about veggie burgers.
They gotta be right.
They gotta be right.
But they
I don't
also
want
got
any
an
drunk.
Impossible burger.
Oof. Can we get both?
I think so, but this one comes with cheese. So maybe we just talk to the waiter and
Okay.
see.
What can I get you?
Chips and guacamole.
Chips and guacamole.
But no sour cream.
And then we got some burger questions.
Yes. So the veggie burger.
Yep, veggie burger.
Can that be made vegan? Because I see it has like some cheese and some garlic aioli on it.
100%.
Yes?
100%. Yes, we're gonna go ahead and substitute that for the vegan mayonnaise, the vegan cheese, and a vegan bun.
You have vegan cheese in-house?
Yes, we do.
Shut your mouth. Ooh, honey, I might kick up. Y'all got a couch over here. We probably gonna stay after for a little bit. Ooh, very good. Come on,
Yeah.
And the same thing for the Impossible Burger?
The Impossible Burger, if I am correct, it is 100% vegan.
honey, that sounds amazing.
We can have vegan
No,
cheese.
we can have cheese, honey, because it's called Cheesecake Factory. Y'all got some vegan cheesecake? I'm reaching.
Just a little.
I thought I would try it. I dip, you dip, we dip.
Yeah.
All right. Very good.
All right, now we need to attempt this mountain avocado salad. Now, how do we get a little bit of everything on our plate?
This is a strategy. All right. I think that underneath it all is some lettuce. See,
you
look
were
at that.
right.
Girl, I
You were
told
right.
My
You were
spirit
right.
said, girl, it's greens under there.
Oh my God.
This is good.
Jimmy,
Yes.
what are those?
I overheard. This is our refreshing ultimate margarita.
Wait a minute, this is enormous.
This
This is like
is
2
huge
cups.
now.
Cheers.
I thank you.
Enjoy.
Cheers. Very good. Well, honey, it ain't nothing but agave. Fun fact is tequila is vegan. Wow.
Oh yes, that's the stuff.
That settles it.
Oh, you're
Oh,
There you go.
gosh, there's more.
More stuff. We got our delicious Impossible Burger. And our delicious veggie burger.
Oh,
Look at there.
And ladies, in the meantime, is there anything else that I may bring over?
I can't think of a thing.
Honey, a pillow. If you got a pillow in the back.
Oh yes. Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh my God, you see how soft the bread is? see that right there? That right there lets you know it's soft right there.
That's the press test.
Okay.
This thing came to party. I don't know. I don't know.
Party.
It is not the margaritas.
It's so flavorful.
As somebody who doesn't like veggie burgers, I'm very impressed.
This is the Impossible Burger.
The Impossible
I'm
Burger
trying to see
looks
this.
so much like a burger. I actually like that you can see what's in the veggie burger. All right?
Yeah.
That's like a classic burger. That takes me way back. Yeah.
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 It's amazing.
That is really good.
So like my family, we are a blended family, right? So my husband and my son are not vegan, but my daughters and I are. We can come here and we can all eat something,
Yeah.
feel included,
Yep.
and everybody is happy and satisfied. Like, that's amazing. I love it. I love that these options are available.
This gives me so much hope. Like coming here and seeing not just options, but not even afterthoughts. It's like every single one of these dishes has been delicious, and I feel like they put time and thought and consideration into them. I feel like to friends of mine that are skeptical, I could confidently recommend them trying the Impossible Burger. Like I think a lot of people would be like, wow, this tastes just like a burger. All right, day 2.
Day 2, girl.
You brought your appetite today?
Honey, I'm always hungry. I can
Okay.
always eat something.
This is why we get along.
Yes.
All right, well, I think it's beautiful out, so I was thinking maybe we get some to-go from PF Chang's.
Ooh, PF Chang's, and I want some Chinese food
And we
today.
just eat outside.
Let's do it.
Wow!
Girl.
Look at this.
Honey, when I say they said they had options,
On variety scale, this is the top of the tier. We got some edamame, we got the Chinese eggplant,
which was already vegan.
which also looks kind of like meat.
It
So-
does.
And then we've got the spring rolls, also vegan already.
Naturally vegan.
And then what I'm the most excited for, which is these lettuce
The
wraps.
lettuce wraps, yes.
I used to eat these so often in college. I went twice in one day one time and got takeout by myself.
Honey, that's all right though.
Right, 'cause
that's
that's
your
my business.
That's right.
That's right, that's my
yeah.
business. Well, now I'm telling everyone.
And these are actually on the menu already vegan.
Yes, making it so easy for us.
Yes.
And the only one that actually needed to have any sort of a sub to it was these Brussels sprouts, the Kung Pao Brussels sprouts.
Kung Pao.
And it's subbed out the oyster sauce for the vegetable sauce.
The vegetable sauce. And wait, what was this one? The
Oh, Buddha's Feast. Also naturally
Feast.
vegan. All right, let's do
Okay.
it.
Shall we toast it up?
Oh, yeah.
Doop.
Here we
Alright,
go.
Let's see.
Oh, my.
It's the same taste.
I feel my freshman 15 coming right back to me.
Honey, very good.
Let's do that eggplant. This looks meaty.
It does.
Wow, that just melts in your mouth.
Oh, wow.
It's got a little kick to
I had
it.
to sit back on that one. Come on, eggplant, okay?
That is amazing. How did they do that?
It's the seasoning. It's the texture. It's so, And these Brussels sprouts.
I know, they've been talking to me too.
Ooh, Kung Pao.
Oh!
Told y'all Kung Pao, honey.
I really think if like we had a group of friends and we just like ordered this for the table,
Everybody would be good.
nobody would be like, where's the meat? I want to know what your favorite was.
Ooh, so, you know, I have 2, I think.
Okay.
Because for like a nice summer day when it's like, you know, you don't want anything too heavy, it's gonna be Panera Bread. That salad was, that Greek salad was calling my name. But when I want something like savory and you know, feeling fancy and I want to go out,
Yeah.
P.F. Chang's that eggplant, because me and eggplant, you know, we
I
like
saw
this
the
now.
love.
Yeah.
I saw the love.
Yeah, we like that.
I don't know about you, but I want to do that again.
Oh, honey, I definitely want to do it again.
Great. Okay, so please let us know in the comments where you'd like us to go next. What are we gonna do for these people?
Honey, we're gonna taste the food, child. We're gonna approve it.
Yep.
And we'll give you all the good details and things. And that's it. We're gonna eat though. We're gonna
We're
eat.
gonna eat a lot. Give us a challenge this time, though. Come on, give us a challenge.
Yeah, give us a little bit.
Yeah.